A fresh leak has given us a clear look at what the Insta360 Luna Ultra might look like before its official debut. The Luna series is said to use a 1-inch sensor paired with an f/1.8 lens. Insta360 Luna Ultra live video leak confirms dual cameras, a wide-angle primary lens, and a dedicated telephoto lens. With 6x optical, 12x in-sensor zoom, the camera head and gimbal may be detachable, allowing for remote shooting or mounting in tight spots similar to the Insta360 Go series. Both lenses support 10-bit color depth, Dolby Vision HDR. It also supports 10-bit iLOD color and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. The images lists 8K recording as an option, and 4K recording at 240 frames per second slow motion, Deep Track 3.0 for AI-enhanced subject tracking. The Luna Ultra features a 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen with 1000 nits of brightness. Weighs less than 150 grams. The Insta360 Luna Pro and Luna Ultra, co-engineered with Leica, reportedly equipped with a 1550 mAh battery, which is larger than current competitors, offering approximately 180 minutes of use. The Luna Ultra could launch at around 5,299 yen for the standard version. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.